Welcome to today's home tour. We're taking you deep into the forests of eastern Finland, where a striking piece of architecture rises among the trees. This is the Meteorite Cabin, designed by Ateljé Sotamaa. At first glance, it looks like a mysterious dark object hidden in the woods. But step inside, and you'll discover a futuristic, ecological home that completely redefines the way we think about living spaces. Covering just 700 square feet, the Meteorite may be compact, but it offers a bold three-dimensional concept that breaks away from traditional layouts. Instead of dividing the house into standard rooms with predetermined purposes, the design embraces openness and fluidity. Every space is interconnected, creating a dynamic environment where residents can adapt and interact in new ways. At the heart of the house is a tall atrium, crowned with a 10-square-meter skylight that frames the stars above. This feature transforms the night sky into a central part of everyday living. Adding to the sense of wonder, there's a suspended catamaran net positioned 7 meters above the ground. Here, residents can literally float in midair, encouraging relaxation, creativity, and imaginative thinking. The Meteorite is constructed from prefabricated cross-laminated timber panels, a sustainable material that locks in nearly 60 tons of carbon dioxide. Natural ventilation, thick air insulation, and a solid wood roof ensure comfort without compromising the environment. Inside, the finishes are pure Nordic wood, no plastics, no synthetic materials, and nothing that could cause mold. One of the most fascinating aspects of this home is its connection to personal history. It was originally designed as a guest house for Ulla Maria Koivula, the CEO of Palo Alto-based ThingLink, on her grandparents' old homestead in Karelia. But when the pandemic struck, her family turned it into a full-time residence, blending modern remote work with the slow, grounded rhythms of Finnish countryside life. Koivula describes the house as a bridge to her heritage. Inspired by the rugged landscapes of Koli, with its rocky hills and scattered boulders, Meteorite reflects the deep bond between Finnish people and their natural environment. From its panoramic windows, the family enjoys misty fields that evoke childhood memories, creating a powerful balance of tradition and innovation. From an engineering perspective, Meteorite is just as remarkable. Every component was digitally designed and prefabricated before being assembled on-site with precision. This approach not only minimized waste but also allowed for a high level of craftsmanship. The result is a building that combines the warmth of traditional log houses with the performance of cutting-edge construction technology. Meteorite is more than just a cabin. It's a vision of what sustainable living can look like in the 21st century. By blending digital design, ecological materials, and a deep respect for nature, Ateljé Sotamaa created a home that's both inspiring and practical. It shows us that even in small spaces, architecture can elevate the way we live, connect, and dream.